Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. So today we're going to be making a very simple aloo sabji. Now this can be a side dish for puri, chapati, or you can just stuff this inside a roti and make it into a wrap as well. Very few ingredients, very simple to make. So do check out the description box for the ingredients list. For more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. So let's jump right in. So we need to make a paste of tomato, onion and garlic, which I'm going to just do and come back. Then I've put a pan on fire into which I've added some oil and on medium high and heated it. Now I'm going to add some cubed potatoes into this oil and fry them. So I'm adding one by one, and then we are going to just fry these until they turn golden brown in color and then keep it aside. I've taken the rest of the oil into a separate pan. Into this we are going to add some cumin seeds. I've kept the flame on medium. Now once the cumin seeds brown, we'll move on to the next ingredient, which is the ground tomato paste. Tomato, onion and garlic paste. Add it into the oil. And now we'll quickly mix everything together. Next we add in red chilli powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix everything together once again and cook it for a few minutes, say about 2 minutes. Now we are going to cover and cook this for another 5 to 8 minutes. Once that's done, we add a pinch of sugar to this to neutralize the flavors, and then add in the fried potatoes. You can also add green peas to this if you want to, or any other vegetables that you like to. You can just parboil them and add it at this stage. Now mix everything together, and we just need to cook the potatoes until they are nice and tender. So you can add some hot water to this if it is required, and then let the potatoes cook and the gravy thicken. So I've just mixed it, and I'm going to add some hot water to this and let it cook till the potato is done. So I've added the hot water at this stage, and we're going to let this cook. So mix well, and we'll wait for the potatoes to be done. Once the potatoes are done and the gravy is thickened and it's become a dry sabji, add some coriander leaves, and the simple aloo sabji is ready to be served. So this is really quick recipe and very tasty. So do try it and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.